हाय गुड मॉर्निंग इंटरनेट। आज मैं इधर नंदी हिल्स की तरफ आया था और मैं थोड़ा और आई वाज रोमिंग और वेंडरिंग अराउंड द क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी टू दिस एरिया। तो मुझे ये टाइटन आई प्लस का एक फैक्ट्री, देयर इज अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेटअप हेयर, इट्स बेसिकली इन चिकबल्लापुर। तो मैं बस ऐसे गेरी मारते मारते पहुंच गया and all of a sudden I discovered that there is a factory outlet also. So here and this is that outlet you can see, and here up glasses you can get at a very discounted rate, and Google rating bhi acha hai. So let's walk in. Yeah, so you can see the people are working. You can see the lot of glasses are on display. Hi.
Hi.
Thanks. Okay, so I will just try to explore and try to pick any good class. Yeah, thank you. सर आप कैन यू थोड़ा लिटिल ब्रीफ करेंगे अबाउट दिस आउटलेट?
Okay, this is the factory outlet in Titan. This is the accept all India. This is the one of store in the 50% sellable store.
Okay.
So
50% sellable store means
50% only for the employee purpose open, but who is came here they also get same 50%.
अच्छा, मतलब 50% वो लोग भी खरीद
ले
सकते हैं.
ओके,
Okay.
जो भी इधर है उसको भी 50% में फ्रेम और सनग्लासेस मिलता है.
ओके.
फैक्ट्री आउटलेट है.
अच्छा.
सो यहाँ पे आपके पास हमारे पास जो है ब्रांडेड है, ऑजिम है, रेबन है, ओक्ले है, ओग है, पोलोराइड है, फास्ट्रैक है, टाइटन है.
अच्छा.
हमारे पास फ्रेम्स भी हैं, कुछ मोब्लांक फ्रेम्स हैं,
ओके.
ओक्ले फ्रेम्स है, रेबन फ्रेम्स हैं, सर्स्की फ्रेम्स है.
एंड हम लोग को वो 50% डिस्काउंट पे मिलेगा?
हाँ, यहाँ पे 50% डिस्काउंट है. और ये सारे टाइटन फ्रेम्स हैं, फास्ट्रैक फ्रेम्स हैं, सब पे एमआरपी पे 50% मिलेगा.
अरे वाह. एंड कोई भी जनरल पब्लिक आके यहाँ से ले सकता
है.
ओके, नाइस, दैट्स गुड. या आप सर, आपका यू आर ए कलीग.
Hi. Actually, this store is basically located at Chikkaballapur, Karnataka. This is the actually store has located inside of the manufacturing unit. There is a total here the Titan company has there.
Okay.
It is supplying all over India. Production will happen here only.
Oh, okay.
So they given space to here to keep on spectacle store also.
Oh, nice.
In this store, the local people as well as the employees who works in Titan all over anywhere of India, who they want to purchase for themselves. Company has decided to have best discount for employee purpose.
Nice.
Initially this store has opened for a employee purpose.
Okay.
Then onwards the gratuity of the Chikkaballapur, we given the public of Chikkaballapur also, let them come and purchase also. They can also feel happy. Okay. They are also feeling proud that Titan is there for them. Okay. We are giving 50% of the good stock, like 50% in all brands, like international and house brands. Like in international we covered with the 13 plus brands. Okay. In house brand we have a Fast Track and Titan. Okay. And we do sale of our spectacle lenses also. Oh great. We do have our eye testing facility also here, which is the accurate 20-step eye testing, which is the one of the best eye testing in the market. And only Titan it will be facilitated. All our optometrists are certified from Shankar Netralaya. And here we sell just not for a sale. This store for help to customers, giving them information about eye and anatomy, and about the how power will generate, what is the different powers is there, why lenses is such important for the consumers, and without using the spectacles what they are going to face in the future. We are explaining once the customers, we are giving the information. Okay. It's all about the mainly service. And as we know as a Tata, it's mainly about the service. Yes. Give a genuine product to the customers. Okay. To deliver them very nice way. Okay. Great. We do sell like all brands, like Armani, Montblanc, Ray-Ban, Tommy Hilfiger, Vogue, and such brands like a Moijim, Oakley. Every brands we have. And we never force the customer 50% come and take. This is the store. Customer come will happily has to purchase and go. It is nothing that you have to 50% take. Nothing is like
Okay,
that. It
okay.
is the happily customer first. He has to feel happy.
Okay.
Once he visit this place,
Yeah.
customer feels sure that I won't get this product from anywhere else in India. So
Right.
that's the concept we have. We
Right.
mainly this store is not at all for a profit wise. This is the only like a charity purpose.
Okay, great. So you are saying that this is the only manufacturing setup in India.
In India.
और यहाँ से सारा outsource होता है. I mean, you send it to
Yeah, we
different
have
parts of
all over
country.
in India. We have a 850 plus branches as of now.
Okay.
Some more plus stores are adding now.
Okay.
So right now we have 850 plus.
Okay.
So we are adding more, and all stores will go. Products will go from here only. Production is here only.
Okay.
So this is the about this place. This is the best place to you can always explore here and purchase the whatever you want products. In Titan, whatever product you will get here.
Sure, I will explore. I will see if I can buy something from here.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
A few moments later.
ये तो रिबन का है, इसको ट्राई करता हूँ. Thank you. कैसा लग रहा हूँ सर?
Super.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. I think this is a instantaneous pick, but yeah, looking good on me. So I will go for it. I will buy this. Yeah. Thanks a lot, and I will get it at a discounted rate also. Wow, that's the best purchase.
Thank you.
Thank you.